Hey squad, welcome back to the channel. How are y'all doing today? I hope that this video finds you guys in great spirits. Let me know down below, how are you guys doing? What's going on in your world? You know, you're learning about me. I want to also learn about you. So what's happening? What's crack-a-lacking? What's going on? Let me know. Let's all know, let the community know. Let's, engage each other and have conversations with each other. So, yeah, just let me know down below. Yeah, I've been doing all right. Blessed to see another day, right? Oh, before we begin, I'm about to ask you, have you told yourself you love yourself? You are a queen. Hold your head high, your shoulders back, and you walk to that mirror or whatever object you're using to see your reflection in, and you tell yourself you're a queen, you love yourself. All right? Because I'm telling you, 2019 is a year for a lot of people, okay? So to get there, you got to have the confidence and know that you're one of the people that are going to shine this year, okay? So, I mean, it'd be great. Let's all shine. That'll be even better. So make sure you're doing that, checking in with yourself, hate self. How are you doing today? We tend to always ask other people, how are they doing? And then we neglect to ask ourselves that same important question. So take some time out and just say, what's going on with you? How are you today? What do you need today? Okay. So while I'm throwing that little piece of empowerment your way, I've already started to prep my eyes. So I did put on the some powder, soak up the oil. If you're familiar with my channel, you already know the dealio. You already know what goes down. And for everyone that's new to the channel, hello, how are you? Welcome. Welcome to the squad. We're so glad to have you here and be a part of our community, our growing community. I hope we continue to grow, and I hope that during our growth, you guys receive a lot of beneficial information, and that you're able to put your best self forward. All right, so let's jump into this tutorial. I know what I'm going to do. I actually have a plan for what I want to do, or the eye look that I want. I just don't know which palettes I'm going to use, but hey, at least I know what I want to do today. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned this. We're going to do a smoky eye. Forgive me if I already mentioned it. So we're going to use the Masquerade palette, the mini one from Juvia's Place. Okay, and we're going to use this color here and this one right here. Okay, now we're going to the Resolution palette. I'm going to use that black shade. Now, I did a big no-no, or not a no-no, but I used that second shade I used out of the mini Masquerade palette is a foil shade. So I don't know how foil shades are going to work with a matte on top for a smoky eye. So it's an experiment. We'll see how it works. All right, using a clean brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of that black eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply my primer first, the L'Oreal Matte Lock Infallible. I still haven't purchased a higher end one yet because I've been looking at wigs. We're just gonna be honest. I've been looking at wigs lately, so that's why I haven't gotten a new primer yet. But I do plan on getting one, so just be patient with me, guys. Okay, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the light gold pigment and Flow. Okay, and Flow is my favorite pigment out of this collection. And hopefully you can see that. I don't want to drop Flow. So it's like a silverish purple with pink in it. And I did I did a demo using the pigments on the previous video. So if you're interested in that, just if I don't remember to include a link on this description, I'll just go through my videos and you'll see it. So I grabbed some of my NYX glitter base, and I'm just gonna place that in the inner corner where I'm gonna place that pigment, because this pigment is really glittery and kind of flyaway-ish. So I want to make sure that it has a good base to stick to, so it lasts throughout my shift today. And like, I really love Flow. Like, Flow is just it's a really pretty color. And I mean, I just love how it reflects off the light. Like, I really do like Flow. Like, she makes you just want to go out. Like, she makes you feel like a queen. She makes you feel like a queen. I feel like a queen. All right, guys. So but I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. Nothing has changed about that routine, so I'm just going to do that off camera, and then I'll be back. Okay, so the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow did start to crease, and it's because of the foil. I thought I could get away with it, but I don't know if it's because I have oily eyelids or because it's just that matte and that foil together in the crease area. Not really sure, but what I did is I added some, sorry, I got powder on something on my contacts. But yeah, so what I did is I took some translucent powder, laid that down, and then I went over it with the black eyeshadow, and then I went into the After Hours palette, and I used this shade right here, which was kind of close to the metallic foil shade I used, and then that's what I did. So now we're going to go in with Cheeky. I'm going to use that for my blush for today. Actually, no. I'm going to go in with Crush on Me and use that as my blush for today. Alright, and I'm going to go in with the NYX Epic Liner and use that to line my eyes. I don't know why I had like a brain fart on that.